4 needs men have that are even stronger than sex, things that make them fall deeply for a woman. If you are a woman who doesn't fully understand how men think or what drives them, it's easy to assume that all men just want a loving woman to share life with and eventually settle down with. While love is definitely important to men, sometimes even more important than it is to women, there's something else they crave even more deeply and passionately than love itself. What could it be? You might guess sex, and while that's partly true, it's not the full picture. In this video, we're going to explore 4 deep emotional needs that many men have, needs that are often overlooked, yet are crucial to their emotional and psychological well-being. These needs are not just important. For many men, they are far more essential than sex. If your goal is to strengthen your bond with a partner, better understand a father, brother, or friend, or just gain insight into the emotional landscape of men, this is something you need to know. We'll explain each of these needs, why they matter, and practical ways to meet them so that you can foster a deeper connection with the men in your life. Be ready, because these insights may completely shift the way you view men and their emotional world. The first need is acceptance. It may sound simple, but it's incredibly powerful. When a woman chooses a man, it's not just about physical attraction or sexual desire. It also builds confidence in him at a fundamental level. Men are expected to be strong, capable, and almost unshakable. They are supposed to handle everything at work, at home, and in life without faltering. But the truth is, even the strongest men have moments when the weight of the world feels unbearable. In those moments, what they crave most is not praise or attention, but a safe place. A woman who loves and accepts them for who they truly are, flaws and all. There's a subtlety here. Some men may feel that sex is part of this acceptance, and in many cases it is. Sexual intimacy is one of the most vulnerable experiences a man can share. To physically share such closeness with a woman is a powerful act of trust. It tells him, in a way words often can't, that he is worthy, that he is valued, and that his partner wants him deeply. After sex, men often experience a high similar to being on a rush of adrenaline or endorphins, where the connection feels overwhelming and reassuring at the same time. It's a moment where they feel safe, grounded, and deeply connected. But beyond the physical, men want emotional safety just as much. They want to feel they can let down their guard without fear of judgment. They want to know they are fully accepted, that their mistakes, insecurities, and vulnerabilities are met with understanding rather than criticism. When a man meets a woman who truly accepts him for who he is, he's far more likely to open up, share his thoughts, fears, and dreams, and create the deep emotional intimacy that fulfills him more than anything else. The second need is respect and appreciation. This is a need that often sits quietly at the core of a man's heart, but it is just as strong as, if not stronger than, the need for physical intimacy. Respect and appreciation are deeply connected to how men see themselves. They define his sense of worth, his identity, and his confidence. When a man feels respected, it validates who he is, the choices he makes, and the life he works so hard to build. It tells him that he's doing something right, that his efforts are noticed, and that his presence matters. Appreciation goes hand in hand with respect. It's more than just noticing the things he does. It's showing genuine gratitude for his actions and contributions. It could be recognizing how he works tirelessly to provide for the family, respecting his decisions and opinions, or simply acknowledging the small gestures he makes every day. When a man feels truly respected and appreciated, it touches him in a way that goes far beyond compliments or fleeting praise. It reassures him that he's valued, that his life and efforts make a difference, and that the woman he loves sees his heart and his hard work. When you make a man feel respected and appreciated, you create a bond that is unshakable, a connection that builds loyalty, trust, and an emotional depth far stronger than physical desire alone. The third need is trust. Men need to feel trusted by the people closest to them, especially the women they love. Trust is more than just believing someone won't betray you. It's having confidence that your partner sees your intentions, understands your actions, and believes in your ability to handle responsibility. Men often operate under high expectations, feeling pressure to be dependable, strong, and capable in every part of their lives. When a woman shows trust, it's like a release of tension. It tells a man that she believes in him, that she has confidence in his decisions, and that she values his judgment. Trust allows a man to be himself without constantly second-guessing how he is perceived. It gives him the freedom to act from his genuine self rather than trying to meet imagined standards. A man who is trusted is more open, more willing to share his vulnerabilities, and more motivated to protect and care for the woman who believes in him. Trust is not just given lightly, it's earned and nurtured over time, and when it exists in a relationship, it becomes the foundation for loyalty, intimacy, and long-term emotional attachment. Without trust, even love and desire struggle to create a lasting bond. With it, a man feels secure, understood, and deeply connected, which is a far more powerful draw than anything purely physical. The fourth need is emotional connection. Men, contrary to some stereotypes, crave deep emotional bonds just as much as women do. Emotional connection is the feeling that someone understands you, values your inner world, and is present with you on a deep level. It's more than shared interest or surface-level conversation. It's the ability to communicate openly, share fears and dreams, and feel accepted and heard. Emotional connection is the glue that holds intimacy together far beyond the physical aspects of a relationship. When a man experiences this kind of connection with a woman, it lights up a part of him that no amount of sex or flattery can reach. He feels understood, supported, and alive in a way that taps into his deepest desires for closeness and belonging. Emotional connection allows men to be vulnerable without shame, to express feelings they might otherwise hide, and to engage in a partnership that fulfills them on multiple levels. It's the kind of intimacy that makes a man loyal, devoted, and deeply invested in a woman's life. Meeting this need can transform a relationship, creating a bond that feels unbreakable, where both partners are fully present and fully committed to one another. Understanding these four needs: acceptance, respect and appreciation, trust, and emotional connection, gives you insight into what motivates men at the deepest level. They are not superficial or trivial. They are essential for a man's emotional and psychological well-being. Many women focus primarily on love or sex when thinking about relationships, but when you recognize these deeper needs, you can connect with men in a way that builds lasting intimacy, loyalty, and fulfillment. A man who feels accepted, respected, trusted, and emotionally connected is not just content. He is inspired, motivated, and drawn to the woman who fulfills these needs. These needs are the foundation for a relationship that is passionate, supportive, and enduring. By paying attention to them, you can transform the way you relate to the men in your life, creating connections that are not only deeply satisfying but also resilient against the challenges that life inevitably brings. Whether in romantic relationships, family dynamics, or friendships, recognizing and meeting these needs allows you to communicate on a level that is profoundly meaningful. Men may not always express these desires in words, but they are present in every choice, every gesture, and every action. By understanding them, you gain a key to the male heart, unlocking a deeper, richer, and more rewarding connection than you may have ever imagined. These are the four things men value more than sex, and by keeping them in mind, you can create bonds that are lasting, authentic, and profoundly fulfilling. The simple actions a man does regularly, like showing respect and gratitude, can have a big impact on how valued and understood he feels. So how can you show him respect and appreciation? Start by truly listening when he speaks. Listen to understand, not just to reply. Show interest in what he thinks and feels. Recognize his achievements no matter how big or small. A simple "thank you" or "I'm proud of you" can mean a lot. Remember, respect also involves giving him space, trusting his decisions, and allowing him to be himself. But it's not only about the words you use or the things you do. The tone of your voice, the sincerity behind your words, and the timing of your gestures all play an important role in showing genuine appreciation and respect. When a man feels respected and valued, it strengthens his bond with his partner and boosts his confidence and overall well-being. This sense of being appreciated often reaches deeper than physical desire and creates a meaningful emotional connection. Another key need is companionship and partnership. Beyond attraction and romance, men value having a partner who is also a true friend, a confidant, and a teammate in life. Companionship is about more than being lovers. It's about being friends who enjoy spending time together, sharing interests, having meaningful conversations, and supporting each other through both joys and challenges. It's comforting to have someone who understands them, shares their happiness, and stands by them during tough times. Partnership, on the other hand, is about teamwork. It means building a life together where both people participate equally, support each other's dreams, and make decisions together. Responsibilities and choices are shared, which strengthens mutual respect and fairness. To encourage companionship and partnership, engage in activities you both enjoy. This could be something simple like a weekly date night, a shared hobby, or discussing your plans and goals for the future. Show interest in his hobbies, even if they are different from yours, because it shows that you value him as a person, not just a partner. Work together on communication and decision-making, sharing ideas, dreams, and everyday thoughts so both voices are heard and appreciated. A partnership is all about balance, giving and taking equally, supporting each other's growth, celebrating successes, and offering help during difficult times. A strong partnership can survive life's challenges and grow stronger with each hardship faced together. Friendship and partnership are about building a deep bond that goes beyond romance. It's about being best friends, trustworthy allies, and equal partners walking side by side through life. Another essential need is emotional connection and intimacy. This goes beyond physical closeness and is about feeling truly connected emotionally. Many women are surprised to find that men often crave this kind of emotional bond as much as, or even more than, physical intimacy. Emotional connection means feeling understood, welcomed, and deeply linked to someone else. It's having a partner who listens to their worries, shares their dreams, and is present for both the small and big moments. When a man feels emotionally close to his partner, it can be even more fulfilling than physical closeness because it satisfies a deep need to be known and accepted. This kind of connection builds trust, strengthens attachment, and creates a safe space where both partners feel secure and supported. So how can you build real emotional intimacy in a relationship? It could be opening up about your personal thoughts and feelings, talking about worries or uncertainties, or asking for support when life gets tough. Emotional intimacy is really about creating a safe space where both of you can be vulnerable without fear of being judged. Encourage honest conversations and let him know it's okay to express what's on his mind. Be patient and really listen, showing empathy and understanding without immediately jumping in with solutions or advice he didn't ask for. It's about being fully present, not just physically but mentally too. Even small everyday actions can strengthen this bond. Ask about his day and actually pay attention to his answers. Share your own experiences and thoughts so trust can grow naturally. Celebrate the wins together, no matter how small, and be there during challenges or setbacks. Remember, emotional closeness is never one-sided. It requires openness, effort, and honesty from both partners. By nurturing this connection, you create a bond that goes far beyond physical attraction and surface-level affection. When you make the effort to understand and connect with him on this deeper level, it can profoundly affect how he feels about you. Men, like anyone, crave understanding and appreciation. When they feel genuinely seen, heard, and valued, their attachment deepens in a way that no mere physical relationship can match. This isn't just about saying the right words, it's about showing it consistently through your actions, your attention, and your willingness to share yourself authentically. It's important to realize that small gestures carry immense weight. Asking how his day went, remembering details about his life, acknowledging his efforts, or celebrating even minor achievements. These moments make him feel respected and cherished. Equally, being supportive in times of disappointment or struggle communicates trust and partnership. These small acts may seem ordinary, but they accumulate to build a solid foundation for emotional intimacy. Being an attentive and compassionate listener isn't just about nodding or giving verbal affirmation. It's about truly trying to understand his perspective, validating his feelings, and responding in a way that communicates that you care. Avoid making assumptions about what he needs or wants, and refrain from offering advice unless he explicitly asks for it. Sometimes, just holding space for someone to express themselves is more powerful than any guidance you could give. Sharing your own thoughts, dreams, fears, and experiences is equally crucial. Vulnerability is contagious. When you open up, it signals to him that it's safe to do the same. Mutual transparency fosters trust and reinforces that you're on the same team, navigating life together rather than in isolation. Over time, these shared experiences and honest conversations build a connection that is far more lasting than anything physical alone could provide. Celebrate the highs and support each other through the lows. Remembering milestones, expressing pride in each other's accomplishments, or simply acknowledging progress can reinforce feelings of closeness. Emotional intimacy grows when both partners feel seen, heard, and supported consistently. It's a gradual process built day by day, moment by moment, through genuine engagement and care. It's also important to recognize that emotional intimacy is a two-way street. It requires effort from both partners, a willingness to be open and honest, and an understanding that neither of you has to be perfect. Mistakes will happen, moments of misunderstanding may arise, but what matters is the commitment to stay connected, communicate clearly, and be there for one another. This ongoing effort lays the groundwork for a bond that is strong, resilient, and deeply satisfying. By putting in the effort to nurture emotional intimacy, you're not just creating a happier relationship, you're forming a connection that touches the heart and mind, not just the body. The sense of security, trust, and understanding that comes from this kind of closeness can transform a partnership, making it rich, fulfilling, and deeply meaningful. Men, like anyone, respond to feeling valued, respected, and understood, and when these emotional needs are met, their love and commitment often grow stronger than any physical desire alone could inspire. So there you have it, the 4 needs men often have that run deeper than sex, and how cultivating emotional intimacy is one of the most powerful ways to fall deeply in love. Thank you for watching this video all the way through. If you enjoyed it, please show your support by liking the video and leaving a small comment. Every single interaction matters. It helps the video reach more women like you who want to understand relationships better. Your engagement makes a difference, and I truly appreciate you taking the time to watch. Thanks again for being here and for caring about building deeper, more meaningful connections in your relationships.